Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So if you saw my last video, you already know that we bagged the Mustang. Looks really good. We left off here on the last video, so we're going to continue. I'm actually going to do a front chin or lip installed. The lip is from MPConcepts and it's this one right here. As you can see, it's nothing major, but it's the details that matter. I'm going to make it quick because this is a simple install, just a few bolts, and it should be done. At the end, I'm going to show you guys how everything looks, and we'll see how good she looks. Alright guys, so here she is. We just finished installing the front chin. Let's see. So there it is, the finished product. Today has been a long day at the back to install the front chin. I'm gonna go take some photos and then I'll post them right here on the video. Okay, so that'll be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.